Look at the tailpipe on that. Oh! Dang! Dang! Welcome back to the Average Mike Show, or as we're starting to call it, what broke at the house this week? Today, you guessed it, toilet's been leaking. I ran up my water bill a few bucks. Went to Walmart and got the kit to fix this. This is for all you young up-and-coming DIYers out there. You know I do this for you guys. First thing you're going to want to do, I don't know if you can see that from the, get that out of the way. Yeah, that helps too. Turn the water valve off on the toilet. That's step one. Step two, flush it. Because, yeah, you don't want a water park in your bathroom. Step three, take the, oh, still got some in there, okay. Empty it out. With a lid off the back of the toilet, no. Now you can see what you got to work with. Yeah, that's wasted. Alright, so that's got to come off first. Yeah. And you got parts of the rusted out bar falling into the toilet right now. There we go. Got the ball, got that ball float out. Now we're going to take that off because we don't need that anymore either. Alright, now you're going to want to put a bucket under here for this part because it is going to leak some. Whatever's left still in the tank of the toilet, it's about to come out. First thing we're going to do, loosen this one up. That's pretty good. Now there's this other ring under here. I don't think you can really see it there. But yeah, here it is. That's the next thing you got to take out. There we go. There's the old one. Alright, out with the old. Isn't that what they told us our whole lives? In with the new one. Yeah, this float system's a little bit different, but yeah, it'll do its job. Parts, hardware, stuff. Alright, let me get this thing open and get working on this. Alright, there's your rubber seal. You're gonna put that on this just like this. Walk it down. Walk it down. There we go. Easy enough. Find it. There we go. Got the new plastic nut. Haven't called a nut before, never a plastic nut. This is kind of a new style for me. You want that as tight as you can get it. Yeah. That's probably going to be okay. Get the bucket out of there. You don't need that anymore. And reattach this hose down here. To your new toilet setup. There we go. Now we'll go and connect the hose to that. And just drop it down middle here. And open that up. Now when this float valve gets to the level, the height it's supposed to, it should cut itself off. If not, I need to make some adjustments. Let's find out. Awesome. Another job done. By God, I made it my duty. Let me stop screwing around and get this video finished up. Hey, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, there's also that smiley face with some busted teeth. Yep, just like the t-shirt. Down over here. Click on that, you're automatically subscribed to the channel. You don't even need to leave the video for that. Like the video, give me that thumbs up. I really appreciate that. You got any suggestions, anything you want to see some future videos, you go ahead and leave that in the comments. I do read them. Yeah, till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.